Hey guys, Dashy T back again, and today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone XS Max 256 gig in space grey. Excited to get it open. Let's go. So looking at the box, I'm sure you've seen many of these already online. The standard Apple box with information about the phone on it. Of course the cover, plastic tab. If I pull this around, looks good. Now opening it up and wanting to give you guys a brief unboxing here, not taking too much time. Let's see what's inside. All right, so up top we have the little Apple folder here, designed by Apple in California. And if I'm right, that should be the quick start guide. Yes, it is. I'll put that aside. Inside again. Okay, we have the SIM card injector tool, as per usual. And some instructions, warranty user guide, and some Apple stickers, again, as per usual with Apple. Now, to the phone itself, the pull tab. And this is a very nice looking phone. Again, it's the XS Max. And I will peel that sticker off from the back, which is very cool. There you are. Oh, and it's all connected to the front. There you go. Very nice. So nice finished glass back, of course, and I might do a review at a later date on the actual phone. Again, this is just a very quick unboxing today. See what's inside. Now also in the box is the Apple Power Brick, which has a little cover around it. Always well protected, well packaged gear from Apple. The Apple EarPods, which in fact, before I get to these, I'll notice underneath is the USB-A to Lightning charging cable. And the EarPods with obviously a Lightning adapter. Now, one glaring omission actually from the unboxing here is Apple have made a conscious decision this time around not to include the 3.5 to Lightning adapter. Obviously encouraging people now to move with the wireless headphones. Now, in terms of wireless headphones, I have my own wireless headphones. You might have noticed from one of my other unboxings. So these particular headphones, Apple EarPods, I might be giving away. So someone who leaves a comment or leaves me a message down below, give me a thumbs up, I'll give these away. So look forward to someone winning these ones. So guys, thank you once again. A very brief unboxing of the XS Max or XS Max. Looking forward to getting it started. Take care, and Dashy T out.